Hello there. Welcome to our channel Craft and Curve. Today we will show you a collection of sew. Watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Handmade crafts have become increasingly popular as people seek unique and personal touches for their homes or as gifts for loved ones. One such craft that stands out for its simplicity and versatility is the creation of handmade lump ornaments or decorations. These crafts not only serve as a delightful creative outlet, but also provide an opportunity to explore various materials and techniques, making them suitable for crafters of all skill levels. In this exploration of easy handmade lump crafts, we will discuss various ideas and methods, ensuring that your crafting experience is both enjoyable and rewarding. One of the most straightforward types of lump crafts is modeling with clay. Air-dry clay or polymer clay can be easily shaped into various forms, allowing for endless creativity. You can start with basic shapes and gradually progress to more intricate designs as your confidence grows. For instance, simple lump-like figures can be transformed into charming animals, abstract sculptures, or decorative items like bowls or planters. To begin, gather some air-dry clay, which is widely available at craft stores. Start with a small lump of clay and knead it to make it pliable. Once softened, you can shape it into different forms. For beginners, creating small animals like a turtle or a cat can be a satisfying and achievable project. Use basic tools like toothpicks or clay sculpting tools to add details such as eyes, nostrils, or texture to the surface of your lump creations. After shaping, leave your pieces to dry according to the package instructions, and feel free to paint them afterward with acrylic paints. Another popular lump craft idea is making decorative stones. This project combines natural materials with artistic expression and can be done outdoors. Gather smooth stones from your backyard, a riverbank, or a craft store. Once you have your stones, clean them thoroughly. The next step is to paint them. You can use acrylic paints or paint markers to create designs that suit your style. Simple patterns, inspirational quotes, or even images of animals are great options. To add a fun twist, consider using your painted stones as garden markers or decorative elements in your indoor or outdoor spaces. Additionally, you can seal your painted stones with a clear sealant to protect the designs from weathering if you choose to place them outside. This project is not only easy but also provides a therapeutic opportunity to connect with nature while engaging your artistic side. Moving on from clay and stones, another easy handmade lump craft is creating felted wool balls. This project involves a bit of technique, but is simple enough for beginners and provides a satisfying tactile experience. To start, gather wool roving, which is easily found in craft stores, and some warm soapy water. Tear the wool into smaller sections and roll them into a loose ball. Once you have your wool ball, dip it in the soapy water and begin to roll it between your palms. The friction and soapy water will cause the fibers to felt together. Keep rolling and adding more wool if desired until the ball reaches your preferred size. You can create colorful felted wool balls to use as decorative pieces, baby toys, or even keychain charms. The final product is not only visually appealing, but also functional and eco-friendly. Upcycling is another fantastic way to create easy handmade lump crafts. Take advantage of leftover materials you might have at home, such as old t-shirts, paper, or fabric. One exciting idea is to use fabric scraps to create stuffed animals or decorative pillows. To make a simple stuffed animal, cut out two identical shapes, like a bear or rabbit, from your fabric and stitch them together, leaving a small opening for stuffing. Once filled, sew up the opening, and you'll have a charming handmade toy or decor piece. If you prefer a fabric-free option, consider making papier-mâché crafts using newspapers or discarded paper. To start, tear the paper into strips and mix a simple paste of flour and water. Dip each strip into the paste and layer them over a balloon or other mold to create lump shapes. Once dry, pop the balloon and paint your creation to complete the project. This technique can be used to create various items, from decorative bowls to whimsical sculptures. Handmade lump crafts also lend themselves well to holiday and seasonal decorations. For instance, during the fall, you can create decorative pumpkin sculptures using orange air-dry clay or painted stones. Shape the clay into small lumps resembling pumpkins and add details with carving tools or paint. When the holidays approach, consider making snowmen or Christmas ornaments using similar techniques. Additionally, you can create seasonal wreaths or ornaments using a crafting wire base and attaching lumps made from felted wool balls, fabric, or painted stones. This adds a festive flair to your decor and allows you to get creative with seasonal colors. If you enjoy working with natural materials, another project to consider is creating seed bombs. These simple handmade lumps are a fun and eco-friendly way to spread beauty throughout your garden or urban spaces. Mix clay, compost, and wildflower seeds in a bowl, and add water until the mixture can be formed into small balls. Allow them to dry, and then throw them in neglected areas or your garden where you'd like to see flowers bloom. This not only adds color and vibrancy to the landscape, but also supports local wildlife. For a unique decor item, you could also explore making lump planters. Using air-dry clay, create lumps that can serve as small pots for succulents or other small plants. Add drainage holes by using a tool or creating a small indentation before the lump dries. Paint or decorate the planters once they've dried, and fill them with soil and your favorite plants for a delightful touch to your home. Remember that crafting is about finding joy and expression in the process, so don't be afraid to experiment. Try combining different techniques or materials to create hybrid crafts. For instance, you could combine painted stones and felted wool balls to create lovely garden displays or playful tabletop arrangements. One of the best parts of handmade lump crafts is that they make meaningful gifts. Personalized items such as custom decorations, painted stones with inspirational messages, or stuffed toys made from fabric scraps can be cherished presents for friends and family. Each piece carries a bit of your creativity and effort, making them invaluable gifts that often hold greater sentimental value than store-bought items. As you embark on your journey of crafting, consider documenting your progress. Take pictures at various stages of your projects to share on your Craft and Curve channel. You might even inspire others to pick up the craft themselves. Sharing tutorials or step-by-step guides can help build a community of fellow crafters who appreciate handmade quality and creativity. Finally, remember that the key ingredient in making easy handmade lump crafts is a willingness to explore and try new things. No project is too small, and every effort is a step towards enhancing your skills and discovering your creative voice. Embrace the process, and you may find joy in making more than just crafts. You can create memories and connections with the people around you. In conclusion, easy handmade lump crafts offer a rich tapestry of creative opportunities. From clay modeling and painted stones to felted wool balls and upcycled projects, the possibilities are endless. These crafts allow for personal expression, connection to nature, and even environmental mindfulness. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, the joy of creating something with your own hands is unmatched. Dive into your crafting journey, explore various techniques, and let your imagination flow as you create unique lump crafts that brighten your world and those of others. Enjoy the beauty of handmade artistry, and remember that every lump can become a delightful piece of creativity. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.